Alright, so today I have just a short video for you guys. This is going to be on ordering angles and sides of triangles from either least to greatest or greatest to least. So the angles of a triangle can be put into order by comparing their sides. So if we look at this first one, when we're ordering the angles, the smallest angle of my triangle is always going to be opposite the smallest side. So when I look at my picture here, BC, this one here, is going to be my smallest side. So my smallest angle is going to be opposite of that. So BC is here, so my vertex of that angle cannot lie on that side. So A is my vertex, is not B or C. So angle A is going to be my smallest angle. We can then turn that around for the reverse. Our largest angle is always opposite the largest side. So when I look at my picture here, AC is going to be my largest side. So the angle that is opposite of that is going to be angle B, because B will be the vertex and it does not lie on AC. So angle B is going to be my largest angle. So now we want to go ahead and order the angles from least to greatest. So my smallest angle, like you said, is going to be opposite my smallest side. So if BC is my smallest side, smallest angle is going to be angle A. Then my middle angle is going to be opposite the next smallest side, which is going to be AB, and across from AB is going to be angle C, because my vertex is C. C does not lie on line AB. So we have angle C. And then my greatest angle is going to be across from my greatest side, which we said was AC, so that is going to be angle B. We can use this same sort of rule when we are ordering the sides of our triangle from least to greatest or greatest to least. So the sides of the triangle can be put in order by comparing the angles. So first we want to look at this triangle. We know the measure of angle E and the measure of angle D. We want to find the measure of angle F. So we know that all three of these angles need to add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to take 103 plus 42, which gives me 45, and subtract that from 180, making this angle 35 degrees. Now, we know that the shortest side is going to always be opposite the smallest angle. So looking at my picture, angle F, 35 degrees, is going to be my smallest angle. So the side opposite of that angle, ED, is going to be my smallest side. I can then go on to do the opposite. So my longest side is going to be opposite my largest angle. So looking at my picture, angle D, 103 degrees, this one here, is going to be opposite of my largest side, or sorry, longest side. So across from that is going to be side EF. So side EF here is going to be my largest side. So then I want to go ahead and order the sides from least to greatest. So we said my shortest side was going to be opposite my smallest angle. So across from this one here, so ED. Then we're going to go to the next smallest angle, which is going to be this one here, 42 degrees. The side opposite of that is going to be DF. And then my largest side is going to be across from my largest angle, which is 103 degrees here. And across from that is side EF. Alright, so on your practice problems numbers 1 through 8, you are ordering the angles or sides from either least to greatest or greatest to least. So I want to make sure that you guys are reading directions. So for the first two problems, we're ordering the angles from least to greatest. And then for 3 and 4, we switch to ordering the angles from greatest to least. So make sure you're paying attention to that. Same thing when we go on to do our sides. So order the sides from least to greatest. And then we switch to order the sides from greatest to least. So just make sure you're paying attention and reading directions.